Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 0. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
Karabo Mwari from West Branch.
Okay, Karabo, which team do you support?
Obviously, it's Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm grown up Kamwara Sundowns family.
Yeah.
Not Kaizer Chiefs family. Even now you can see, I'm celebrating Drum Master.
Yeah.
It was his 1 year anniversary after the passing away of the main man.
Yes, sir.
This is even the drum catcher no need cover.
Yeah.
The masa kono le zapila. No respect this guy, but our kono kra rhythm.
Yeah.
But that was something.
Okay.
Wabona Rena, Sundowns, Rena Rabagala PSL Mereko.
Yeah.
I must tell you the honest truth.
Yeah.
Narabagala PSL Mereko, because of every trophy that comes in, they have to decorate a new one.
Yeah.
Like now, DSTV, they are busy now creating jobs for those who decorate a new trophy.
Yes, sir.
We take them both like 3 years. We can't take a trophy 1 year.
2 years, 3 years.
3 years, and it's gonna stay at Torkop.
Tama king etsang Mamelodi Sundowns a team like a so strong got DSTV Premiership.
Why is Sundowns here again? I play next year. Honabano plan at 2030. Mara Chiefs Pirate Mamba plan 2023, 2024.
Yeah.
Now we are ahead of them.
Yeah.
That's the only problem at PSL, the whole PSL. You just want to buy, you can even see Mayo. Mayo is coming. Mayo. Oh, to Samikela Sundowns. That's why not this man. We don't go and scout players. Players around South Africa, they come and say no. You can even see outside players, they come. They just say, Kupala len sign. Kupala sign. Alende na can say Alende. Alende Rebaropili. 51 meter. It's 13 for the guy. Wamotola 135. Alende. 135 million. Narabukrelika 51.
Yo.
For the yen Chiefs 19 players to Zimbabwe. Plus other players go Vela. I don't know. But now I'm happy because Sundowns.
So ore got Downs ilitola 1 player, Chiefs ilitola 19 players.
Price 1, yeah. Price 1. Yare na happy squad 51 million. You get team. I'm sorry to laugh, but I like Kerata all the teams more PSL.
Yeah.
They must improve.
Yes, sir.
It's useless. We are just coming for Shalulila win man of the match. Goal scorer. Mailula Shulena wa Matamela Basabana Bano. Honavano Retsalbu Mabena, go Retsali di Pampas, go Wima. Mabena Pella Obo grade 10, Maruta Kataka PSL. Nanator grade 12. A face a school. Yo. And Honalomu wait about Mufuki.
Wababa.
I don't get Pella Pella. Yo.
Cheers a time.
Mufuki, follow what the game is as down to Sabafana Babanyan. And then we'll see who Kibala again.
Okay, tell me like a man of the match today, no if I'm
Wabanagna jealous, the goalkeeper, Cape Town City. Nakita go fire 100 in Fanaka. Kajonuga Tagorta Bangote, Marata by Felorin, Marosu in Fano. Yana born. Kajonu Gezis. And mind you, Cape Town City, don't let Aberville League. Apa salary chao na mumatomo. Ka bona ritela di bulele. Ke ona team re dadile lona go Cape Raba peta. Yo. Bona na ba no ka tsoro re dala le bona marina le setse re tsere league. Bona gore dilo di tsa re tomi o ga le bela PSL. League game ya mathomo ya Sundowns. Ke ona this team. Cape Town City. And re setse go Cape Town. Ka mo re draw le bona re nya gore at least black coaches ba be le matla le bona le baska faila. It's like re tlo tla batho ba go ntle ba coach the team now. We need our black coaches South Africa. Re pick up ise standard sa football sa rena. Ke bolela nnete go ra ke nyaka gore o gra tlapa ba re tere motho o tla Ghana, not Ghana, Southern America o tlo coacha team a sa itseng gore team e tlhakae modu a tlapa. You must know the roots of the team. That's the only problem. We have a problem ya di coachara.
Yeah.
But Eric Tickler, I give him thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay, Tema, is there anything o ka ratang go shela Matawana ko ga ya shebeletseng?
Madawana ko ga ke khopela gore a re tseng gape opportunity Red Dobsonville. Red Dobsonville ro nna le Maswallows re ke ka go tala mo. Ke rata gore mutu ola wa mo o tswelle pele o e Dobsonville re se gata lofta se fela ke le rapela le la o be dire Durban le Cape Town re tsene go go be mnate re felelle ke rata re travel. Unfortunately maybe some we don't have enough.
Yes, sir.
But I'm happy to the Motsepe family.
Yes, sir.
They can give us that. But feeling to about yeah, you must know the Motsepe's family, they've been there since 2003. We are celebrating also 20 years of the family. Don't mind, don't overrule that.
Yeah.
President Motsepe, the president of CAF, of CAF. He once said, "I want to rule Africa." Right at HMPJ, which you see now is demolished, but I still say, I respect the Motsepe family.
Yes, sir.
Sundowns is going more than more. We'll be showing the whole country. In fact, this league, PSL,
It's too small.
I don't think we can play. I want Super League, I want every league that...
Champions League.
Champions League, yeah, we must go there and experience. You know, since Sundowns, we have now 7-8 years going to Africa Cup of Nations. That's why we are having experience. I remember there was a year chief says, no, our players, they don't pay, we don't go there. But now, look at Sundowns.
Yeah.
Look at Sundowns.
A ke a leboga Tema.
Le nna ke leboga thata ka